Hello guys, today I have two package here. So we're gonna unbox RS3 2020 Magnetic Standard Edition, not the maglev. Then I have this Meilong 7x7 version 2 magnetic. So we're gonna see. So hold. So here. Yes. Tingnan natin. Gonna open first the RS3 2020. So hold. And look at the box. That's the accessory box. So gonna check the cube only. Here's the cube, a little bigger. It's dry, typical MOU. Yeah, it's dry, but it fast, good corner cutting, good corner cutting. Reverse. I have this one last year, so I just want to buy again. It's a dry, sandy feeling, but fast. Then I came from my main is Dayan Guhong, so it's pretty heavy, like just before. It's dry. Magnets are good. Yeah, speed cube. What's this new? Wait. I have already one of these last July and September, then I sell it, so I buy another one again. Cause Meilong version 2 is good. So accessory box. Cube stand, nothing here. Just the cube. Already small. So to compare it, this is my finger, so small. Again, it's tight. Meilong for just awareness, guys. Meilong are really tight. So Meilong 6 version 2, Meilong 5, then the other Meilong, then they are tight, but stable and fast. So the outer layer is it's fast, but you can notice some magnet strength within the inner layer. Within this, you can feel the magnets. So maybe the inners are strong, a little bit strong, but the outer is something like a little weak. So to ease some in 3x3, solving your 3x3 stage, so it's tight, like it's given a mailong, but you can set up losing the tension. So just like the other recommendations of cubers, that you need to some setup to work out this cube. So this good, this is the most uh, most alternative rather than the AUFO or like the Spark. So people full look for this dry, tight, but fast and stable, especially when some aggressive turner. Yeah, that's good. So hope you enjoy, guys.